Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Salty Morning Star. First, understand that this unique artifact requires dedication and specific steps. You must first complete the extensive Ocean's Fury questline, which unlocks access to the necessary crafting components. After that, your initial task is to collect 50 brine shards found exclusively within the perilous deep-sea caves. Next, head to the Ancient Forge, located in the Whispering Peaks. Here, you will combine your 50 brine shards with a celestial core. The celestial core is a rare drop from the formidable Sky Serpent boss, so be prepared for a challenging fight. Ensure your character possesses at least 25% arcane energy for a successful crafting attempt. Once you have the core component, the next critical step is infusion. You need to infuse the item with 3 tiers of the Leviathan. These tiers are only acquired by defeating the colossal Leviathan in its underwater lair, a truly epic battle. Be aware that the infusion ritual itself is a lengthy process, taking approximately 3.5 hours to fully complete. Finally, after the long infusion process, the Salty Morning Star will be yours. This legendary artifact significantly boosts your combat prowess, granting a 15% bonus to both critical hit chance and water damage. It's a game changer for any adventurer. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those incredibly durable socks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.